What is a natural granite kitchen sink and its pros and cons? Dear friends, a natural granite sink is carved from a single large block of natural stone. As the name suggests, they're made of 100% natural granite. This makes them unique in their composition. Unlike most sinks, which are hybrids and mixtures of two or more compounds, these sinks stand out. A sink made entirely of granite can fall a bit behind granite composite sinks. This is because granite composite sinks are infused with materials other than granite. This brings out the best in their shine, sturdiness, and strength. What makes a natural granite sink unique is its formation. The crude mixture of minerals gives each piece of granite its unique shade and shape. It has a porous structure, so it requires annual sealing and proper care. Pros of natural granite sinks: heat resistant. Natural granite shares the same heat-resistant property as the composite and is resistant to scratching and stains when properly sealed. Natural granite sink is unique. Each piece of natural granite has its one-of-a-kind look, based on its naturally formed blend of minerals. A granite sink adds more finesse to a home than an ordinary steel sink. It is sculpted to complete the kitchen. Having a granite-based kitchen is more than a high-end demand. It prefers premium quality over an ordinary choice. Cons of natural granite sinks. Natural granite sink is less durable. Natural granite is highly porous, making it less durable. The granite composite is at least 3 times harder than the natural one. High maintenance. Proper sealing is required for natural granite sinks. They require frequent sealing to prevent damage. Natural granite sinks need to be cleaned and maintained. Otherwise, they might get scratched and distorted. Depending on their color, they may get scratched, throwing off the entire look. It's pricey. One of the most significant drawbacks would be its price. It is a hefty investment, that's for sure, so one has to evaluate their needs carefully. Natural granite sinks are very expensive. Their maintenance costs are extra, making them costly. So, it's not a hot-selling product for ordinary families. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.